Meet Sabrina Pastreski. At the age of 14, she built and flew her own single engine airplane. Even Stephen Hawking started to follow her. At MIT, she got the highest grade possible. Harvard University called her next Einstein. Anne Hathaway is being talked about her beauty. But what about the fact that the husband looks very similar to William Shakespeare, and William Shakespeare's wife's name was literally Anne Hathaway? If you sell every organ and chemicals in human body, you would make around $45 million. So never think your life is worthless. Tigers can and will take revenge on those who have wronged them. They are one of the most vengeful animals on the planet. Boxing is the only sport in which neither the spectator nor the participant know the score or the winner until the contest ends. According to the Harvard psychologist, dogs probably dream about their owners while they sleep, since dogs are extremely attached to their human owners. Albert Gunton, a London City bus driver, in 1952 found himself driving his route crossing Tower Bridge. When the bridge began to rise to allow the ship to pass, he accelerated and jumped the gap and was awarded £10 for bravery. Turkish garbage collectors open a library of all books which citizens discard in their trash. Instead of demolishing books and trash, it can be used for good cause and increase the knowledge of any mankind. A man who burned $2 million because he was short of firewood and his daughter was feeling cold. Meet Don Pablo Escobar. After making 1.4 billion crayons, the senior crayon maker of Crayola admitted that he was colorblind. John F. Kennedy, ex-president of US, purchased 1200 Cuban cigars for personal use, just before he made them illegal. There is a highway in space called Interplanetary Superhighway. It is used to send spacecraft around the solar system with least resistance using gravity. Sunflower can be used to clean up radioactive waste by pulling radioactive contaminants out of the soil. An Egyptian city was discovered underwater in 2013 after being lost for 1200 years in Mediterranean Sea. The Kailasa temple from India is carved from top to bottom. The architecture of Kailasa temple is notable for their vertical excavation. The work started at the top and moved downwards, rolling down. Traffic fines in Finland are not fixed like rest of the world. Instead, they are based on the driver's monthly income. Soccer is called football in almost every country around the world except Canada. The national flower of Zimbabwe is flame lily. Queen Elizabeth II was represented with flame lily diamond brooch as a gift from Zimbabwe when she visited as the crown princess in 1947. There are only 2 people alive in the entire world who know the exact secret formula for Coca-Cola, and they are not allowed to travel on the same airplane. Bill Gates' office has a giant wall-mounted periodic table with sample or representation of all the elements.